Some of you may have noticed that we are under a bit of construction here at the Cosmosphere. Right now we are doing some major remodels. So let me show you what we're doing. We'll have a lot more detail coming up later on. But first up, right now we're in the Rocket Lab. So the Rocket Lab consists of two areas that used to be in the museum. This right here is the room where we had Enos's couch and some Redstone and Atlas things as well. And you can also get to the Titan pit through this way. But on this side of the curtain, this used to be our shuttle gallery. We're now going to have a classroom in this area. So from the Rocket Lab, we move on into the Manned Spaceflight Gallery. This is the gallery that has our Soviet artifacts like the Vostok here and the Voskhod over here, juxtaposed with American artifacts on this side, including Liberty Bell 7, which is going to be in this area behind me right here. And then from there, we go on into our Moonshot Gallery. It's a bit more open than the layout that we had before. It's pretty sparse right now, but you can see the lunar module replica is still behind me. Compare with what this area looks like right now with the before photos that I'm showing you. It's very different. So there you go. So that is the construction going on right now, and we plan to be done with all that construction by the end of 2024, so December 2024. But we are not closed. We are still open, so please come see us. We've still got a lot of great stuff going on.